Well, speaking of weather a little closer to home, we have some spooky Halloween weather.
It is windy, especially in southern Maine. I got a text from Jess Conley. She said the wind
Yeah.
is whipping where I am, and I think a lot of people going out tonight, you're going to have to watch for some Halloween decorations that get loose.
Might just gawk you when you're
Right.
trying to get some candy.
Exactly. Let's take a look at the temperatures. It's still pretty mild in eastern Maine. Bangor right now is at 60. However, cold air is wrapping in from the west, so these numbers will be going down as the evening goes along. And at the same time, the wind will pick up. So we're gusting to 23 miles per hour in Bangor, but I think you'll get some gusts closer to 30 miles per hour as the evening goes on. Gusting right now to 36 down in Portsmouth. There are a few spotty sprinkles and light showers in central and northern Maine. I think southern coastal areas stay dry, but can't rule out a sprinkle or two farther to the north. The storm system will sit to our north tomorrow, and the wind is going to whip behind it for about the next 18 hours or so, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll see the wind start to settle down. So you can see this evening the winds kick up. There could be some gusts occasionally up to about 40 miles per hour. So an isolated outage can't be ruled out tonight into the day tomorrow, and then the winds will subside later on in the day. So hour by hour forecast shows a few sprinkles and showers out there through the evening. Temperatures will slide back into the 40s. So if you're going to be out later tonight, it will have a chilly feel. In fact, there will be some upslope snow showers in the mountains of northwestern Maine, northern New Hampshire, and the spine of the Greens in Vermont. And above about 1,500 feet, there will be some accumulation. Now, tomorrow morning we'll start with, I think, a fair amount of cloud cover, and we'll break apart the clouds a little bit in central and southern Maine, but it's going to be a mostly cloudy and gloomy day up through the mountains where there will be some flurries in the higher elevations. Sun will develop, though, through the afternoon in central and southern Maine. Temperatures struggle. We'll get to about 52 in Portland, 50 in Bangor, 48 in Waterville, and staying in the low 40s in the higher elevations for high temperatures. That means much of the day is spent in the 30s, and when you add the wind to it, it will have a chilly feel coming up tomorrow. Now, the wind does settle back late tomorrow night into Sunday morning, and we have a cold start Sunday morning, upper 20s to low 30s. I think Sunday is a brighter day for most of us, a mostly sunny sky in central and southern Maine. Some cloud cover will linger in the mountains and far north, and that's where temperatures will stay in the 40s. Most other places, upper 40s to right around 50 on Sunday, so a little bit below average, but with more sunshine and less wind, it should feel a little bit better if you're outside on Sunday. So we have a better day then, and looking ahead to early next week, we do have a front that comes in from the west and a little moisture that tries to get out ahead of it. Monday we probably start with some sunshine, but there could be some late day showers, more likely Monday night into Tuesday morning. This system looks pretty progressive though, so I don't think we get much rain from it, and most of the rain on Tuesday is probably early in the day. The afternoon we should dry out other than a few showers that linger up in the mountains. The next chance after that is Thursday, but I'm not quite sure that will totally come together to bring a soaking to us as we see it now. Gale warning up on the water through tomorrow given the gusty winds that will be out there. So a blustery day tomorrow with a partly to mostly cloudy sky, 40s up north, around 50 in central and southern Maine. Brighter on Sunday, but since we fall back, that sunset is around 4:30. Clouds increase on Monday with maybe a late day shower. Most of the showers should be early on Tuesday. And then the next system to watch is Thursday, but it's not a guarantee. There's a split as to whether or not the storm will actually develop and bring us some needed rain. But for the first week in November, Bailey, it's going to feel a lot more like it. There are no 60s on that 7-day.
Well, I'm excited. Yay! Cold weather.
Diving in 2 feet.
Woo,
Yep.
okay.